The science and technology part may be important for most of you who are preparing for ISRO, DRDO, and various other exams. Railways. The science and technology is very important. State affairs, not so much. Unless until you are writing any PCS or other exams. The machine is also shown very good. So as you can see, this book is very relevant for whatever you want. The space as well, if you want to read about space, you can read it. Then this is about plants and nature. Defense and security, I like this because I found it useful for my exams. Whichever I wanted to understand, I've done it. So next thing question will be from where to get this. You can go to the Arihant official website and you can buy a monthly copy. Else, if any Sapna bookstore is there near you, you can go and get it. I usually get from Sapna because it's near it, and you can get the updated version as well. Also, if any local newspaper provides you with this magazine, you can take the subscription and you can do it. So everything is sports. If you want to read, you can read. I'm not much interested about sports. Newspapers is also very important, or everything. Who and all has been in the news, who has been famous appointments, who is promoted to what appointed. So all this book is very useful. Behind this is very important, who is who, chief owner officer banks. If you are finding for a quick overview of any important issue, then you can read this. At least you'll get to know who and all are at the highest positions that you want to know. Right. This book is very structured. If you're looking for any good book in which for you want to prepare, this is one of them. I want some other books also are bad, but according to me, this is good. I'm preparing for defense related exams at my school. 400 current shooters. This I have practiced a little bit. However, we wouldn't see any ticks. I have not done that. But this is mostly based upon what the content of the book is. So only if I study the whole book, you'll be able to solve around 100% of this. After this, some options also given. Very good. This is it. A very organized book, I would say. And hope you liked this video. And if there any doubt is there, please ask me in the comment, as well as please like, share and subscribe. I will be coming with the next review. Please let me know which one you want. Thank you for now. Happy Diwali.